What is going on, guys? Welcome to the show today. We're going to be talking all about the Aerofabb rear spoiler extension. I'm going to tell you what I think about it since I've had it in my car for about 3 weeks now, initial thoughts, and how it's been holding up. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I believe these things are $135 on Aerofabb's website when they're in stock. I know that he is only making small batches of these right now and they sell out super quickly. So if you see them on the website, act fast if you really want one. Build quality, the thing is holding up really well. Doesn't seem like it attracts more dirt than the rest of the car. It's still on here very well. You can see up here, it's not scratched up or anything like that. Going back to the install, the ease of install was super easy, especially if you watch that video. I'll put the link to it down below or up here so you guys can go watch it if you're interested. The packaging with this thing was really nice. Came in perfect condition, wasn't any damage to anything, any of the boxes. Really good job by Aerofabb. Coming down to it, would I buy it again now that I know what it's like on the car and whatnot? And I would say definitely yes. I love the way it looks. I love how subtle it is, but at the same time, how aggressive it is. I really don't like the ones that just kind of go up here and are taped down. Those don't seem like they're gonna work or aren't gonna stay on there very long. And I really don't like the ones that kind of come off and go down like this. So in my own opinion, I really love these. I would recommend this spoiler extension over any other one, just because of build quality, ease of install, and look and finish of how it is on the car. So let me know what you guys think. Do you want to buy one? Do you already have one? Are you planning on getting one? Drop me a comment and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.